Windows 10 Clipboard Experience lets you access a history of items you've copied. By default, Clipboard Sync is turned off. Go to Start menu. Click on the Settings. Click on System. Find the Clipboard option from the left panel and click it. Now let's enable Clipboard History option. Now let's press on Get Started and connect this device with our account from Microsoft. It will ask you to verify your identity. After the verification is done, your clipboard data will be synced with all your devices.
If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe, as this will help me a lot. Thank you, bye bye.